Kitchen renovations are one of the most popular ways to refresh your living space. Whether you're planning to refresh kitchen space, or you're planning a full renovation, these are the kitchen trends interior designers say you should have on your radar for latest styles. Let's explore top 5 kitchen trends for 2025 and beyond. Tailored cabinetry is one of the most popular element in a kitchen remodeling projects in 2025. Cabinets designed specifically for the homeowner's needs, including mix and match cabinetry, pull-out shelves, vertical dividers for cutting boards and trays, and deep drawers for pots and pans. Placing combination of closed cabinets and glass front cabinets is one of the popular trend to continue in 2025 and beyond. There are different ways to customize it, such as opting out for minimized open shelving or personalized open shelving arrangements, including floating shelves with integrated lighting, to provide both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Glass front cabinets can be customized to showcase special dishware or decor, and it offers an elegant way to add a personal touch. You can tailor these with interior lighting to highlight your favorite pieces. Check out these amazing ideas for custom cabinets inspiration. Multifunctional, and elevated kitchen islands continuing its demand, and going to next level, with modern customization for social gatherings and day-to-day activities. Today's contemporary kitchen island is a multitasking marvel, and kitchen islands are evolving to suit the ever-changing needs of households, with some once outdated options seeing a revival in 2025. Kitchen islands are getting bigger and more versatile, serving as dining tables, workstations, and storage spaces. Some islands also include integrated appliances, like wine coolers, or induction cooktops. Kitchen island is an ever-evolving wonder, seamlessly adapting into the endless needs of its family. Adding wood trim moldings, in various styles, and choosing custom colors, to elevate overall kitchen space, is one of the very popular option for modern kitchens. Ideal for both prep work and dining, this flexible piece of furniture makes the kitchen a more dynamic and social space. It's about creating a kitchen that serves your lifestyle. Here are some of newest function tricks and design trends of kitchen islands continuing its popularity. Color customization and layering elements. Home builders are coming up with amazing multi-tone custom kitchen cabinetry to meet homeowners' demands and wishes. Customizing kitchen cabinet colors is a great way to express personal style and elevate the design of your space. A popular trend is painting the upper cabinets in a lighter color and the lower cabinets in a darker shade or wood tones to elevate personalized touch. And kitchen island in a contrasting color from the rest of the cabinetry creates a focal point and adds depth to the design. Mix and match different colors for upper and lower cabinets, or pairing bold colors with neutral tones allows for a more personalized look. Check these amazing multi-tone kitchen cabinet styles for inspiration. Oversized and decorative range hood. Decorative range hoods have become a central design element in modern kitchens, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. We'll see an uptick in creative range hood designs, including wood, stainless steel, and mixed materials for a custom look. Decorative range hood ideas provide both functionality and a personalized touch to your kitchen, turning the hood into a stylish centerpiece that complements your overall kitchen design. A range hood, wrapped in reclaimed wood, gives a rustic, or farmhouse-style kitchen touch, and a warm natural look. A curved, or arched range hood, adds softness and elegance to the kitchen design, especially when paired with sleek cabinetry. For a more traditional or modern kitchen, a wood-clad hood painted in a bold color, or stained to match cabinetry provides a cohesive and custom feel. Crown molding or trim can be added for extra elegance. Check out some of these custom touch wood range ideas for latest kitchen styling. Textured countertop styles and materials. Countertops with large, bold veining are highly sought after for their luxurious appearance. This trend is especially popular in quartz and marble materials, where oversized veining can create a dramatic, high-end look. Instead of the traditional glossy finish, many homeowners are opting for leathered, or honed finishes on countertops. These finishes offer a subtle texture, making the stone feel softer and more natural, while also being more forgiving of fingerprints and smudges. Quartz countertops with marble-like veining are highly popular, offering the luxurious look of marble, but with more durability and less maintenance. These countertops often feature elegant, subtle veining in shades of gray, gold, or taupe, adding a sophisticated touch to modern kitchens. Marble remains a classic choice for luxury kitchens. While traditional white marble is still in demand, unique varieties like dark marbles with bold veining are becoming increasingly trendy for creating a dramatic effect. When choosing a kitchen countertop, several materials stand out for their durability and aesthetic appeal. Granite is budget-friendly, and it is as popular for its strength and variety of colors, while quartz offers a non-porous, low-maintenance option. Marble adds a touch of elegance, but requires more care due to its susceptibility to staining. If you like the content of this video, please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel support and subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting home and garden videos.